Hey guys, your dude Keon. So I'm here at Ayala Mall Manila Bay. So this is kind of a new mall experience. Very excited to check this mall out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Keon PH. And yeah. Alright, you can see there's a lot of shopping malls over here. There's Mary Mart, there's Body Shop, Origami, what's that? Oh, we got Seattle's Best, Happy Skin. Alright, we're in the escalator right now. Going to the second floor. Many interesting stalls here. You can see Cinnabon and some other. This place is so massive. You can see here a lot of food stores in this area. A lot of clothes stores as well. This place is so big. It's a good space to walk around. Not a lot of people coming in here. Got some Brat Pack over here. So this place looks interesting. Nice. Going to the Japantown over here, and look at how spacious this place. Look at this. Just walking alone here, and so eerie. All right, I'm just walking around by myself here, and look at that. With love, Japan. Let's see what we have here. Some. Oh my gosh, is that a rat? It's a rat. The guy. It's a rat. Alright, I'm now back on my walk right now on this empty space here at Ayala Manila Bay. Alright, there's so much closed establishments over here, and I'm just walking around, and oh, we're going outside of the Japan themed floor. You can just see how big this place is. It's very new, very spacious, but I love it here. So clean, so quiet. All right, looks like we're going to the movie floor upstairs. Look at that. It's so quiet, so eerie at the same time. I'm thinking that this place is packed during weekends, but I'm not sure. It's currently Wednesday right now, so quiet. I hope it's not like this during weekends. You can see no people around the ticket booths. Only a few people are here. The empty movie snack bar. Alright, this is the movie floor. As you can see, only a few people are watching right now. Here's the other side of the movie floor. As you can see, there's literally nothing except the 7-Eleven over here. Yeah, so I'm going down again. We got some Coleman over here. And looks like furniture and kitchen related floor that we got here. I think I'm in the home related floor. Got some furniture over here. And oh, we got some sofa over there. It's a big place. Got some chairs over here for people who wants to sit out. It is a big mall, guys. It's a good place to get some exercise as well. Look how big this place is. Lifestyle garden. Nice. Oh, we got some outside view over here. I'll go outside and let's see what's outside over here. It's got some restaurants. So this is the outside. This place is so spacious, guys. Look at this. So ridiculously big. Is that part of Ayala Mall? What the heck? What the heck? You mean I've only explored half of this mall? What the heck? What kind of place is this? Bruh, this place is so big. Well, here's the Japanese store where we saw the rat that's running around on the floor. But we got some pest problems. Look at this, it's so massive. Feet are gonna hurt. And here's the Ayala Malls Manila Bay. I'm surprised this mall is functional, even though there's a lot less people are in here right now. Alright, we're going back inside of the mall. You got some Chinese brand, Chinese merienda place, and we got some time zone. Every Ayala Mall has a time zone. And we got some claw machines as well. It's the hammer. I'm Thor. Boom. Boom. Got some ice ball. Oh, got some additional rooms over here. Got some bowling. Some additional ticket machines. Some karaoke as well. Billiards. They got this Black Widow. They didn't got to release this in cinemas here in the Philippines, but it's too bad that we didn't get to experience this on the big screen. So that is it for today's vlog. I'm gonna see you guys again next time. Bye!